Hi guys, Holly King here. I wanted to make a video just talking about what I've talked a lot about here, but I wanted to talk about you specifically. So, are you looking to do something different in your life? Are you looking to change the financial well-being of your family? Are you looking to understand the crypto market, or are you looking just to stay home with your kids like I do? Um, I'm speaking to you right now because you are the type of person that I want to work with in Unify. Now, you may have heard a little bit about Unify. You may have heard nothing about Unify. And so I thought I'd walk you through what Unify offers, but also more importantly, what our team offers as well. Um, this is an opportunity that I haven't seen come along in a very long time. And I do believe that this is the place where you can create financial abundance for your family or just yourself, or you can basically, I believe, create anything with this opportunity. Unify recently launched. There's only about 1,000 people in the company. It is an MLM company, so it's structured by referrals, and this is the beginning. This is the beginning of this company. Their plans are to grow astronomical, exponentially, and I do believe they will do it. Not only because they have, an MLM structure where people refer, but because they have a kick-ass product. And so what I'd do today, I thought, was talk you through the product as well as what our team does. And then at the end, I will invite you to join my team and or ask me any questions that you may have as well. So first, let's get started in the talking about the Unify's product. So I'm just going to share my screen. And let's see here. Okay, so I'm just going to share my screen and show you what Unify has to offer. So Unify is a crypto education company, and they also offer trading signals. We'll go into that in a little bit. I think the best thing, probably one of the best parts about this product is the education that they offer. So today I had a call with a woman who had a brick and mortar business, and she enjoyed it, but she was a slave to her business, and she didn't have the time to spend with, she didn't have the time to spend with her children. She was working herself to death. She said her and her husband hadn't taken a break or didn't have one holiday in the year 2016. They didn't have one day off. People think sometimes when they own a business, they're creating financial freedom, but sometimes you're even more stuck because your business is your livelihood. And if you don't work, you don't have anything. So she was interested in getting into the crypto space, and she knew nothing. And I was excited when she approached me because because of this opportunity with Unify, and specifically Prosperity U. So Prosperity U is for people maybe like you, who don't know anything about the crypto space at all, or maybe people like me who know a little bit about it and want to learn more and want to become an expert trader. What Prosperity U does is it takes you from the very, very beginning steps right down to very specific, very expert steps in trading. And so the parameters, I couldn't think of the word, not the parameters, but whatever, you can learn from the very, very beginnings, but even if you know quite a bit, you're still going to pick up more on the learning. I mean, I've been learning things that I didn't even know how to do, how to learn how to trade with BitMEX, how to try to get better trades with my Binance, all of the stuff that I'm learning. So I'll walk you through a little bit of Prosperity U here so you can see. Talks about the risks of trading, and then literally from the very beginnings, what is Bitcoin? So that might put some people off that know what Bitcoin is, but don't be put off by that, because if we keep going, we can talk about even more complex terms. So we've got some altcoin reports that you can look at it if you're kind of more in the expert arena, and you can look at different coins that that Unify recommends holding and recommends maybe selling and all of that. So that's another bit. But how to short on BitMEX, how to leverage on BitMEX. I mean, BitMEX is for pretty expert traders, and they are walking you through step by step how to do that using stop losses on Binance. Loads of education on there. Now, for you newbies, don't get overwhelmed by that. We've got very simple stuff here. How to build a strong password, crypto awareness, make money trading Bitcoin. This is a huge video, and it's the great thing about this is it's 2 minutes long. Easy, right? You can do it. Let's go now to other aspects of the company. So there's Prosperity U, which you can learn. And then, like I touched on quickly, the altcoin reports. These are brilliant. These just, you can go into the altcoins that, an altcoin, by the way, is just an alternative coin that's not Bitcoin. And you can read all about these coins. And the great thing about them, about these reports, is they're really user-friendly and really easy to read. So I suggest if you do join me in Unifi, that you take a look at these. My husband really enjoys reading these. He's really interested in altcoins, and they're just really nice and simple to do. So there's the altcoin reports. And I'm going to go back into here, because this is what I want to talk about, is the live signals and the daily signals. So once you learn about trading in Prosperity U, they don't stop there. They go even further, and they give you signals, trading signals. So essentially, if you're a newbie, or even if you're not, they will ping you whenever, or daily if you choose to use daily signals, or live, so throughout the day, on when to buy and sell Bitcoin. Now, pre-launch, we knew they were going to have this, and we thought, yeah, that will be great. But they're amazing. They have saved people tons of money and made people tons of money very, very quickly just by buying and selling Bitcoin. So I'm going to go into it so you can see what this is. So right now, this is an old signal, but we have a signal to exit on Binance as well as on BitMEX. And sometimes these are different, which I think is really interesting. But so we have a signal to exit. And what that means is that you're holding your Bitcoin now, and you get a signal to exit, and you essentially just trade your Bitcoin or sell your Bitcoin for US Tether. So you're holding essentially US dollars. Then when we get a signal to buy, which is usually to buy low and sell high, we'll buy again. And we do this throughout the day. And what that does is it actually allows us to earn Bitcoin with our Bitcoin. So instead of sitting on your Bitcoin and holding it, you are literally earning by buying and selling, buying and selling. Pretty cool stuff. If we go to the daily signals, this is for someone who doesn't have the opportunity to maybe sit on this or look at your phone all day. Maybe you're someone like me who has small children, although I do use the live signals because it's so easy. It's pinged to you via Telegram, which is an app on your phone, and you can do everything on your phone in literally 30 seconds. So I usually catch the signals, which is great. But the daily signals are also really great. They come to you once a day, and they tell you whether to exit or enter, and they give you the price. And so you literally go onto Binance, and you enter the price that you are going to exit or enter, and that's it. You don't think about it. And you're still able to earn Bitcoin with your Bitcoin. I'm going to go back to the live signals because I think this is the most powerful. I'm just going to look at the chart here. So this chart is, I believe, from the last, 24 hours. So if we look at this chart, I mean, it's pretty obvious. Look here. Okay, it's set to sell, huge dip, right? Set to buy. It was already on its way up, right? So we earned. If we go here, look at this. We had on, let's see, what time was that? So today, early in the morning, unfortunately I didn't catch this because I was sleeping in the UK. But it's set to sell. And then look at this dip. That saved you, if you were in this, it saved you close to, what is it? $200. I mean, right there, just saved you $200. So this stuff is powerful and easy. Like, it doesn't, I remember when I got into this game and I was like, oh, I don't know. And I have a finance degree, right? So I thought this was going to be pretty easy. And then I got in, I was like, oh my God, these charts, these candles, blah, blah, blah. What am I going to do? No, They make it simple, they make it easy to do this, and it's fun. It's really, really fun. So that's the product. That's Unify. That's the tip of the iceberg. The beauty of Unify is that it has these products, but it also has the building of teams. And my team specifically is the fastest building team in Unify at the moment, and it's pretty darn amazing. They are spearheaded by Robin Lynn and Mike Klingler, and they will provide you with a funnel to market this. They will provide you with, and I'll show you the funnel here. They will provide you with, let's go back to the beginning. They will provide you with look at how beautiful this is. And I've got a whole video walking you through funnels, so I won't walk you through the whole funnel, but they will provide you with a funnel. They will provide you with a training on how to set up a YouTube channel and get subscribers via YouTube so that you can advertise this if you'd like to. And they will provide you with an amazing community and so much more. I mean, the funnel alone to build this and promote this would take you a really long time to do, and they are providing you with that if you choose to have a funnel. And the learning and the training that they provide you is incredible. So even if you're a leader and you've done funnels before, don't poo-poo this. Their funnel works. Mike and Robin have made millions doing this. And all I'm doing is step by step what they tell me to do. And it's working. And it's working fast. And it's working well. And I'm excited about it. And my call to action to you is to join me doing this. Let's earn Bitcoin together. Let's rock this Unified together. Check out my YouTube channel because it has a really great video going through the compensation plan. Now, if you are a top online marketer and you're watching this, please watch the compensation plan video. In fact, I'll link it down below so that you can see it because it's so worth watching. Compensation plan is incredible. They actually have it set up so that you can have infinite spaces on the matrix. So you can literally keep growing and growing and growing your matrix because every 10 people that you place, you get another spot to place yourself in your matrix. So it's pretty incredible and the earnings are pretty amazing. So I just wanted to make this video to walk you through what they have and the opportunity that we have here. And if this sounds interesting to you, please click the link below. If you're watching this on your phone, you'll have to click the upside down triangle, and then you can click the link below to join me, join the funnel, watch the videos, and if it speaks to you, then sign up, and I will be happy to mentor you and get you in touch with the right people to set you up for success. And I'm really, really just excited to have you join me. So please let me know if you have any questions, and I'm really looking forward to working with you. Much love. Take care.